Good evening, Keo.
Good evening, teacher.
How are you today? How was your day? How was your life today? Is everything okay?
Yes,
Wow, that's great to hear. Okay. So is everything doing good and
yes,
great?
everything good.
Doing good.
Nothing is wrong.
Yeah, okay. That's good to hear that you are doing good. Okay. Okay. So now, Keo, we're going to have our activity, another lessons. So we'll have the another lessons, and after that, teacher will show you some lessons on the YouTube. At least it will not be boring, because if we keep on having the materials in the FCE, it's very boring, right? So you will have to look at that, and you will have to be concise on that. You need to be very, okay, you have to be very careful on that. So that is why it's very important that we will learn, and of course with fun. We have to enjoy what we learn. Okay, it's not important. It's not that we are learning too serious. We have to learn it with fun. So I know it's very boring. Okay, to have a thing like this. So it's good that we have to what? We have to be good at it. Okay. Okay, we have to move or find materials so we it will not be boring at all. Okay, I will share you the screen now.
Okay.
Okay, we are done with the models, right? So now
Yeah.
since you are done with the models, okay, teacher Ann told you that models express ability. Okay, teacher will do this. It's possibility, it's impossibility, and certainty. We also have this model in which it's suggestion. There's model for permission. Okay. So now Keo will teacher and will find a lesson on which you will be okay for a while. I will find a lesson on which uh, you will have an exercises about models. Okay. At least we can apply what we learn. Okay. So for this, KO, I will have to have this short worksheet about model. I will share it to you, and please try to answer it as much as possible.
Okay.
Okay. Can you see this one?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we have here the grammar. Model worksheet. This grammar exercise tests your ability to use model auxiliary verbs. Again, this grammar exercise tests your ability to use modal auxiliary verbs. Okay, it should be incorrect. Complete the following sentences using appropriate modal auxiliary verbs. Okay. You have to pick your answers there. What do you think? Okay. Please read and understand. Okay, what do you think? If you are the owner of this ball, you blank be able to tell us which of each is blind. Should, shall, or would? What's the answer?
It's hard.
Okay, you write your answer. Just pick the answer only you have here. Okay, I will write your answer so that we can check it later. Okay?
If you are
What's your answer?
the
What's your answer? Number one?
wood,
Would. Okay, teacher will write. Okay, number two. Okay, I do blank. I blank do something to help them. What's the answer?
must,
I must. Okay, I must do something to help them. Three. You blank come with me. Sorry, blank, you come with me. What's the answer?
I think you will.
Will. Okay. Number four. The traveler felt that he blank be going on, but pity held him back. The traveler felt that he be blank be going on, but pity held him back. That's number four. What's the answer for number four? The traveler felt that he blank be going on, but pity held him back. He ought to, he,
Need,
he need be going on. He need be going on. What do you think, Theo?
will,
Will.
will.
Okay. Number five. Blank, I opened the window. What's the answer? Number 5. Blank, I opened the window. What do you think, Kale? Okay.
Teacher, what happened?
Okay, number 5. What happened to you? Why you lost? You lost.
Because my internet is lost.
Okay. Okay, number 5. What's your answer for number 5?
Five. I think the answer shoot. The answer I
What's number 5?
have shoot.
Huh? Oat?
Shoot.
Oat to I open the window? Are you sure?
Yeah,
Okay, oat to.
my answer is shoot.
Oat. Okay, should. Okay, should. Okay. Next, Keo, number 6. Okay, what's number 6? Sorry. If they started in the morning, they blank be here soon. If they started in the
Will.
morning, the blank be here soon.
Will.
They will? No.
Yeah.
Look at number 6, Kyo. There is no will. They should. They should. They shall. They should. Oh, there's do should. So your choices is should and shall only. If they started in the morning, they be here soon. They should be here soon or they shall be here soon. What's your answer?
Should.
Should. Number 7. In not so distant. Okay, look at that number 8. In not so distant future, humans blank colonizes Mars. In not so distant future, humans colonize Mars. May, could, or need.
That's my last answer.
Okay, what's your answer? In not so distant future, humans blank colonize Mars. What's your answer? May, could, or need?
May.
May. Okay. Number 8. You blank work overtime to make up for it. You blank work overtime to make up for it. You must, you ought, you would.
Must.
You must. Number 9. Okay, so 8. Your answer is number 1 here. If you are the owner of this ball, you should able to tell us which its eyes is blind. Okay, that's number 1. Which answer is would. Number 2, I must do something to help them. Correct, Keo. Your answer is must. Will you come with me? Very good. Your answer is 3, come. The traveler felt that he ought to be going, but Titi held him back. Okay, your answer is will. The answer is ought to. Ought to and should is only the same. Should I open the window? Very good. Your answer is 5. Should I open the window? If they started in the morning, they should be here soon. Very good, Keo. Here, your answer is should. 7. In not so distant future, humans may colonize Mars. Very good, Keo. Good job. 8. You must work overtime to make up for it. Very good, Keo. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, Keo. You got only 2 mistakes. Okay, very good. Hey, good job. Okay, that's the sign of progress, Keo. Good job. Okay, so you understand about this?
Yes.
Yeah, very good. Okay, next one here. Look at you. Next. Okay, for a while, Keo. Okay, so look at this one. I am asking you, Keo, to answer only 1 to 10, okay? Do not answer it all. I am asking you 1 to 10 only. That one, okay? So what you're going to do, you will have, okay, sorry. You will have, okay, I need to move it here. You will have to pick your answers. This one. Complete the sentence with the modal verb from the box here. You will pick. Sometimes more than one answer is possible. There are times that can be used with two answers. Okay, it can be used with other answers. Okay, so you will not say that can is only one. You have to finish it. Okay, sorry. You will answer 1 to 10 only. Okay. Now, Kyo, pick here and write your answers here beside. You write your answer beside. Teacher will just go in the bathroom, then I will be back. Later, when teacher come back, I will check this one. Only 1 to 10, okay? And you have to pick the answers here. It's in the box, okay? Okay? Clear, Kyo? You understand, teacher?
Okay.
Okay, very good. I'll be back for a minute. I'll just go into the bathroom. I really wanna pee. Okay, for a while. Hello, Kyo? Oh, why
Yes.
it's 11? Why did you put 11?
11.
Yeah, why it's 13 and 14? Where's number 1?
Because it's hard. I can answer it.
Okay, number 1 to 10 only. Do not include 11. Only 1 to 10. Number 1, we blank, be able to win. But I don't think we have a good chance. We can or we can't. We don't. Okay, you just pick only. Just pick any answer that will, any answer that you understand will do. It's okay with teacher, okay? Don't worry. Just pick your choice. Wala.
It's hard.
Okay, it's okay, Kyo. It's okay. Just try your best.
I try, but it failed.
We will be able to win. Oh, see? Your answer. Okay. Anyway, there's choices. Just pick the choices.
I think about the choices, but I think it's not right then.
It's okay. Go. It's only 1 to 10.
I can't answer it.
Okay, you find it hard? Can you guess?
Yeah.
Just guess. You want to guess? Guess only. So we can have the check. Just guess. Any.
That
Oh, guess only, guess.
must that must be John.
Okay, what's your answer? You write your answer, CKO, so I can check your answer. The answer is here below. You write only. Just guess only, guess. I am asking you to guess.
Okay.
Okay. So let us see your answer. Number one is will. Number two is must. Okay. So your answer is here. Okay. We can't. Number three is can't. I know, okay, I know, okay, it's hard. I think you should relax more. You have been working too much early. You must relax. So actually, when we have this, it's quite there is something it's only that somehow it's just the same, or there is it's near, the answer is just near with each other. So it's just that the same. So that's the reason we are quite confused. Here the answer is, look at this one. We might, we may be able to win, but I don't think we have a good chance. So the answer is this one. Okay, we may, but you know, if I will ask you, we will be able to win. You can have, we will be able to win, but I don't think we have a good chance. Okay, but I know this is quite
Okay.
hard. Okay, you find it hard? That the first one is
Yes.
quite easy, right? The first one is quite easy. The second one is quite hard. Okay, so I will have here some of the things that we have to do about modals. We are done with this, right? Now, KO, so we are here with number unit 3, it's modals. Now, we are going to have here something about adverbs of degree. Now, we are going to talk about adverbs, okay? So, we are going to talk now about adverbs. Adverbs of degree. We have here kinds of adverbs. Okay. So I will have to show you what's that? A YouTube about the different kind of adverbs. Okay. So we are talking now about adverbs of degree. But before that, let me ask you some words about adverbs of degree. So we have different kinds of adverbs. But I will introduce to you somehow about adverbs. Okay. What is adverbs? At least you will be able to understand what do you think is adverb. Okay, Kiyo, clear? Okay. What is adverbs? Okay. What do you mean by the word adverb? What is adverb? Okay. That's the question. What is an adverb? An adverb, Kyo, it modifies describe verb like he sings loudly. It describes loudly. An adjective, it describes the adjective like very tall. It's another adverb ended too quickly. So there is another adverb here. First adverb here is this one. Look at this here. To and quickly. Okay. Again, adverb is a word that modify or describe a verb. Okay. Sings loudly. Okay. An adjective, it modifies very tall. Okay. Another adverb, to quickly. Okay, can you see that? Okay. In this one, KO, you can see here that the adjective, the adverb, modifies three. First, it modifies verb. Okay. Second, it modifies adjective. Third, it modifies another adverb. Okay. So adverbs often end in ly, but some, such as fast, look exactly the same as their adjective counterparts. Okay. Look at this one. Tom Longboat did not run badly. Tom Longboat did not run badly. Tom is very tall. The race finished too quickly. Tom is very tall. The race finished too quickly. Okay. So we have here, Tom is very tall. We have Tom is very tall. The race finished too quickly. Okay. So look at this one. Tom Longboat did not run badly. Okay. Next, very, very tall. Okay. The race finished too quickly. Okay, you understand? You understand? So this is what happened to the adverb. Okay. So adverb again modifies a verb, adjective, and another adverb like here. Tom Longboat did not run. This is a verb, run, right? Run. Run badly. Tom is what? This is the adverb here, modify another adverb. Okay, modify adjective. Very tall. It modified adjective. Number 3, the race finished what? It modifies another adverb. Too quickly. You understand, Tom? Tom. You understand, Keo? You understand, Keo? You understand? You understand, teacher?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Fortunately, Lucy's recorded Tom's win. Okay, fortunately, this is the adverb. It modifies recorded. Okay. Now, so this is what we call the adverb. You understand? You understand now? You understand now, Kyo?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So again, adverb modify verb, adjective, and another
Verb.
adjective. Yes. Here. Now, adverbs and verbs. What happened to adverbs and verbs? Adverbs often modify the verbs. It always modifies the verbs. This means that they describe the way an action is happening. Philip sings loudly in the shower. Philip sings loudly in the shower. Look at this one. Loudly is the adverb here. It modifies how Philip sings. Philip sings
Loudly.
loudly. So this one, it modifies verb. The verb here is sing. Okay. My cat waits patiently, impatiently. What is the adverb? Impatiently. It modifies the word. The verb here is wait. Okay. The verb here is wait. Next. I will seriously consider your suggestion. The adverb here is seriously. It modifies the verb what? Consider. Okay. It modifies the verb consider. Do you understand, Keo? You understand? You understand? Yay! You understand, Keo?
Yes.
Okay. So we are talking here, Keo, about adverbs and verbs. Verbs first. We are still talking about verb. Verb first, okay? We are still talking about verb. Verb first. The adverb in each of the sentences above answer the question in what manner. How does Philip sing? How does Philip sing? Keo? Loudly. Listen, Keo. How does my cat wait? How does my cat wait? My cat wait
Patiently.
impatiently. Thank you, Keo. How will I consider your suggestion? I will consider it
Seriously.
seriously. Adverb can answer other type of questions about how an action was performed. They can also tell you when we arrived early and turn where turn here. Okay. Now we are talking here, Keo. Still, we are talking adverbs and verbs. And it answer in what manner? Philip sings. How Philip sings? Loudly. How the cat waits? Impatiently. How I consider your suggestion? Seriously. You understand, Keo? You understand about that?
Yes.
And all this adverb, it modifies the
Things.
it modifies what?
Things.
No, Keo. All these adverbs modifies the, what is this? The one encircled by teacher. It modifies
The verb.
verbs. Yes. Sing,
Verb.
wait, consider, they are verbs. They are the one modified by the adverbs loudly, impatiently, seriously. Do you understand, Keo? You understand this? Okay. Now, Keo, I will let you show about, what's that? About here. About a YouTube video about adverbs that modify verbs. We will make it slow, one by one. Okay, we will make it one by one. I don't want to make it very fast. I want it to make one by one, Keo. I want to discuss this adverb one by one. Don't worry. No matter how it takes longer, I have to discuss it one by one. Okay. YouTube here. Okay, I have to pick there. What is Okay.
Parts of speech for kids. What is an adverb? By Teaching Without Frills.
Oh, we'll not do this to you. This is just very easy for you.
Whatever the day brings, Grammarly helps you communicate smarter, one message at a time.
Hello everyone! Welcome to this English
Lesson.
course on adverbs. And in this video, we're going to talk about adverbs.
Okay.
Now, the simplest definition of a
Oh, what is it?
sentence, like other adverbs. But in this video, we will focus on verbs and 4 kinds of adverbs.
Okay, adverb.
Adverbs of time, adverbs of place, of manner, and adverbs of degree. Usually, they will answer the following questions about the verbs: when, where, how, and to what extent. Let's look at these sentences. The boy ran, and then we have the boy ran excitedly. Now, this example shows the power of adverbs. In the second sentence, you find out how the boy ran. In the first sentence, you don't have any information on how the boy ran. So in the second sentence, we find out that the boy was very excited. So it's very important to understand adverbs and understand how to use them, because they will make you speak English a lot better. So let's get started. First, let's talk about the position of an adverb. So where do we put the adverb in the sentence? Now, that is a bit tricky because the adverb in an English sentence can be in different parts of the sentence. Let's look at a few examples. She climbed the mountain slowly. Slowly, she climbed the mountain. She slowly climbed the mountain. Can you guess which word is the adverb? The word slowly is the adverb. It describes how she climbed the mountain. And as you can see, the adverb is in 3 different parts of the sentence, but the meaning is exactly the same.
Diretsahan na ha. Dapat matibay ang resistensya laban sa sakit. Kaya ang gatas ng anak ko, Bear.
Okay.
Let's now talk about how to make adverbs. Now, most adverbs, not all of them, but most of them, end in ly. So it's actually very easy. You take the adjective and you add ly at the end. Let's look at a few examples. If you have the adjective nice and you add ly to it, you make the adverb nicely. So, for example, you could say, he is a nice speaker, using the adjective nice, but you could also use the adverb nicely and say, he speaks nicely. A second example, if we take the adjective quick and we add ly, we can make the adverb quickly. So we could say, he is a quick runner, but we could also say, he runs quickly. Be careful, guys. Not all adverbs end in ly. Some adjectives don't change form when they become adverbs. They're called flat adverbs. Typical flat adverbs would be early, or late, and a few others. And it's very important to know these flat adverbs because a lot of my students try to add ly to some adjectives and unfortunately they make incorrect sentences. So let's take a look at an example. Okay, if I tell you the car drove fastly, do you think that makes sense? Now, it does make sense to try to add ly to the adjective fast, but unfortunately, guys, fastly does not exist in English. So the correct sentence is the car drove fast. Another example, he arrived late or lately to class. What do you think is the correct answer? Again, it makes sense to try to add ly to the adjective late, but lately is not the adverb of the adjective late. The adverb is late. So the correct sentence is he arrived late to class. Let's now take a look at a few sentences to practice finding and making adverbs that modify verbs. Now remember,
this is Teo, the one it
adverbs
modifies
tell
verb.
us so much about the verb. Usually they tell us when or where or how or to what degree. So the first example we have is he easily lifted the box. Can you spot the adverb in this sentence?
Lifted.
Of course, the adverb is easily, ending in ly, okay? And it tells us how he lifted the box. It's an adverb of manner. Now the second sentence, and this is a bit more difficult.
Bukan kayo.
I will
We'll
download the file tomorrow. Now where is the adverb? Because there is no word ending in ly, so it's a bit more complicated. Well, the adverb is tomorrow, and it tells you when. It's an adverb of time. And these are sometimes a bit more difficult. Make sure you watch my next video. I will talk about them. Our third example now. I put it there.
Where's the adverb?
Again, no word ending
No
in
ly.
ly.
Because it's not
The adverb
manner.
is the word
There.
and it tells us where. It's an adverb of place. We will talk about them in our next videos as well. And our last example, you didn't study enough for the test. The adverb is the word enough. And it's an adverb of degree. Okay, it tells us to what degree.
What degree?
Again, it's not a word ending in ly, and we will talk about adverbs of degree in our next videos.
Okay, Keo, the words ending in ly is adverb of manner. Again, the words ending in ly is adverb of manner. That's adverb of manner. If it ends ly, that's adverb of manner. But there are 4 degrees of adverb, right? Time, manner, place, and degree. So when there is ly, that's adverb of manner. Continue listening.
Remember, guys, it's very important to understand adverbs and to know how to make them. They will make you speak English so much better. And this video was only a quick introduction to adverbs in English. In our next videos, we will focus on each kind of adverb, so make sure you watch the rest of the course. Thank you for watching my video and see you next time.
Okay, so that's it, Keo. So again, we have 4 degrees of adverbs. We have adverbs of time, place. What else?
Oh, I don't remember.
Time, listen, Keo. Time, place, manner, and degree. That's 4.
Time, place, manner, and degree.
Okay, that's the 4 degree of adverbs. Okay, so we are going to have that one by one next lesson. And the next lesson, teacher will discuss that one by one about adverbs and the adverbs of degree. Okay? I will have to continue that and I will check that one by one, Keo. Okay? Am I clear? Am I understood, Keo? Keo, listen. Okay, this is the adverb, the basic one. What is adverb? Okay, this one. Okay, I will just show you the basic about adverb.
Adverbs. Nikki is telling Ricky about words that describe an action verb. For example, I ate my dinner quickly.
Okay, that's adverb of manner, L-Y.
Quickly tells us how the action happens. That is, quickly describes the action word ate.
Okay, look at this, Keo. Look at this, Keo. Look at this, Keo. Quickly describe the verb ate. How did he eat his dinner? Quickly. Look at this one again. The adverb quickly describe the action word ate. Okay, Keo? Okay?
Yes.
Okay, next.
Another example. Sam sees many puppies outside. In this example,
Outside tells us where the action happens.
that is, outside describes the action word sees.
Okay, look at that one. Outside, this adverb describe the action word sees. The verb sees. Remember, action word or the verb is just the same. Okay, Keo? You understand, teacher?
Yes.
Okay, you understand? Another, continue.
Let us look at one more example. My father came home early.
Here, early tells us when the action happens.
That is, early describes the action word came.
Okay, look at that one. Okay, another. So here, okay, early, the adverb early describe here, the adverb early describe the action word or the verb came. You understand? You understand, Keo?
Yes.
Okay, very good. That's good to hear. Okay, so now we will continue answering, we will continue discussing about adverbs. We will have to finish adverbs, okay, and we'll have to continue discussing about that. If we are not that one, I need you to understand adverb every degree of the adverb. One by one, we have to discuss, and you will have be given a activity. Okay, Keo? Okay, Keo?
Okay.
Okay, for now, if you don't have, do you have question? No? Okay, if you don't have question, teacher will say goodbye and I will be seeing you next. Okay? So bye-bye, Keo.
Goodbye, teacher.
Okay, bye-bye.
See you tomorrow.
Enjoy. Yeah, enjoy.